Holiday. What makes a car a legend? Is it speed, luxury, or is it something more reliable? Today, we're diving deep into the story of a vehicle that didn't just join a category, it created one. This is the incredible success story of the Toyota RAV4. Picture this. It's the early 1990s. The automotive world is dominated by big, thirsty truck-based SUVs. They were capable, sure, but for daily driving, a bit much. Toyota saw a gap in the market. What if you could have the high driving position, the versatility, and the optional all-wheel drive of an SUV? But with the comfort, fuel efficiency, and easy handling of a regular car. Enter the recreational active vehicle with four-wheel drive. Or, as we know it, the RAV4. When the first generation debuted in Japan in 1994, it was a revolution on wheels. 2. It was small, it was quirky, and it was built on a car platform, specifically a blend of the Corolla and Carina. This unibody construction was a game changer. It meant the RAV4 was lighter, more comfortable, and handled corners like a car, not a truck. Initially, it was a two-door model, almost like a little off-road sports coupe. It was fun, youthful, and unlike anything else. The public was intrigued. When it arrived in North America in 1996, Toyota added a more practical four-door version, and that's when things really took off. People loved it. It was the perfect vehicle for young families, adventurers, and anyone who wanted a dual car without the downsides of a massive SUV. Sales exploded. Other automakers scrambled to catch up. And soon, the compact crossover SUV segment was born, a segment the RAV4 still dominates to this day. As we moved into the second generation in the year 2000, the RAV4 grew up. It got bigger, more refined, and more powerful. Toyota honed the formula, keeping the core appeal while making it a more substantial and family-friendly vehicle. They were listening to their customers, and it showed. Boxy look of the 90s towards a more modern, aerodynamic shape that would define the new millennium. Then came the third generation in 2005. This was another huge leap. The RAV4 became even larger, now offering an optional third-row seat for the first time. It also ditched the side-hinged rear door with the external spare tire in some markets, a signature feature of the first two generations. But the biggest news was under the hood. An optional V6 engine. A V6 in a compact SUV. It was surprisingly fast, faster than many sports cars of the era, creating a sort of sleeper performance SUV. This generation solidified the RAV4's position as a serious, mainstream contender that could cater to an even wider range of buyers. The fourth generation, launched in 2012, marked a major stylistic shift. The design became sharper, more aggressive, and more angular. The V6 option was gone, as Toyota focused on efficiency. The spare tire was moved onto the cargo floor for good, and the rear door became a more conventional top-hinged liftgate. And most importantly, this is where the RAV4 hybrid truly came into its own. Toyota, the pioneer of hybrid technology with the Prius A, applied its expertise to the RAV4, creating an SUV with incredible fuel economy. It was the right move at the right time. Which brings us to today's fifth generation. Unveiled in 2018, it's arguably the most radical redesign yet. Toyota went back to a more rugged, truck-like and adventurous look, inspired by its bigger off-road. With models like the Adventure, TRD Off-Road, and the incredibly popular Prime plug-in hybrid, the RAV4 now has a version for literally everyone. The RAV4 Prime, in particular, is a marvel. It's powerful, it's efficient, and it offers a significant all-electric driving range. From a quirky two-door concept to a global bestseller, the RAV4's story is a masterclass in understanding the customer and evolving with the times. It's a testament to Toyota's core values: reliability, practicality, and innovation. It didn't just find success, it defined it for an entire class of vehicles. What's your favorite RAV4 generation? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, there. And if you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.